Now, as Jim takes that aerobatic bonanza to the vertical, a quarter roll on the way up, and he is going to pull it over the top for the descending down line. Jim is happiest when he is in the air and heavily promotes aviation everywhere that he goes. Cuban 8 turnaround back to Airshow Center. Watch as Jim starts approximately 10 feet above the ground for the inside loop. And also watch closely on the Jumbotron because they do have live cameras mounted in the aircraft while Jim is performing for you here this afternoon.